These are the tools you'll need for this project. See the educator guide for more details. If you'd like to try this project on a plastic container, use sandpaper to roughen up the sides and permanent markers so the colors will stick. Here's Grace's version of the project. It's a flat, two-dimensional piece of paper that you fold to make a 3D box form. It's based on a Native American bentwood cedar box, which comes from a cedar plank that is steamed and shaped into a waterproof box. Here's Liz's example. Check out all the traditional colors of black, red, and blue. I learned a lot of these art terms and figures from Bill Holmes' book on Northwest Coastal Indian art. I made a basic guide here for the different shapes in the coastal Indian artwork. You can see here, this is called the ovoid, and it's the easiest one. It's like an oval. I think it looks like sushi. And you can see it in a lot of their artwork. That's an eye that has the ovoid around it and inside of it. All of these right here are ovoid shapes. This one down here is a little more complicated. It's got layers of those ovoids with a little shape inside. Here's another basic shape. This is called the U shape. The one on the top here looks like a bucket. I even put another U shape inside. They tend to layer them. This one here is a U shape, but it's got a split in the middle. See that? This one's upside down, and it's still a U shape, and this one gets a little fancy with layers and different shapes inside of it. Moving on, now this is an S shape. An S shape is a little more tricky to draw. This one's also an S shape, but it's got a split in the middle. This one's kind of a fat S shape, but they're all an S shape. See how the top right-hand corner goes up and the bottom left-hand corner goes down in a point? When I was at the University of Washington's Burke Museum, I got this cool sticker for my water bottle, and it's by Nick Allen Art. Here you can see the different shapes are all put together into one form to create a creature. There's that ovoid right there, multi-layered, and that eye shape you can see. Up here we got that upside down U shape that matches this one. Have you guessed what creature this is? If I turn it sideways, maybe it helps. It's an orca whale. Take a piece of paper, fold it in half, and cut down the line. You'll be using one half of this. Then fold that in half, one more time in half, and you have it in quarters. Try out some of these shapes in each little section. Here I'm trying a ovoid in layers, and here's a U shape. Just do layers inside of each other, maybe try a split, color them different colors. You can create a focal point by using the traditional colors of black, red, and blue-green to draw attention to a specific part. Here in this section I'm trying S shapes. Try out a few, experiment, fill up the space. Put a few together, you can sometimes make some fun faces.